Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new, welcome. I would love for you to consider joining our family here on YouTube and hitting that subscribe button. And welcome back to all my returning subscribers. And today's video is hopefully going to be a quick video, and this is my Facetory for the month. It just came, so I figured I would quick do this. I only undid the tab, and you can store your masks in this box. And this is the August Facetory. And real fast, Facetory is a monthly subscription service where you get, they have 3 different subscriptions that you can get. The Forever Fresh Kit, you get 4 masks. The 7 Lux, you get 7 masks. And the newer box that they've had, and they've had this and it's a seasonal box. I think the summer might have been their first. I'm not really sure. That might have been spring. And they have their Fall Lux box. You get 10 to 12 skincare and hair care products. It is $49.95 for the season with over a $200 value. And on that, there is free shipping. And I didn't see any codes anywhere for any kind of discount on anything. So every month you get a postcard, and this one says Forever Young. And so you have a cute little postcard. And then they always include a card. So it tells you a little bit about the masks that are going to be in your bag with the value. So we'll do the very first mask. And this is right here. And this is from Facetory, and this is Everyday Pearl Brightening Mask. And this is, let me see if they give any, it says when you're craving a bright, smooth complexion for a special day or just every day. And this has a value of $3. It's a nice mask. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrance, which is nice. The next mask, I'm just going to hold them up here, is, I would assume the company name is Look at Me. And this is a Sweet Honey Bear Smoothing and Nourishing Mask. And this has nourishing your skin with honey, Halanthus anise, which is a sunflower seed oil, and our skin was left feeling as soft as velvet. Okay, well that's nice. We all want that from our mask. That has a value of $3. The next one is from Blank. Is it Blank? What is this? Oh, this says Balloon Blank, but this says Blank Therapy. This is an egg white sheet mask. This is a value of $2.50. And it says when your pores are unruly and your skin feels oily, to use this mask. I usually have an issue with anything egg. I am vegan, so I probably will not use this, even though I'm not eating it, but I still, you know, don't want to put it on my face either. So I will share that with someone in a giveaway. I have a whole stockpile of masks, and this one's pretty cute. And this is Candy O Lady, and this is a mellow cotton candy mask. When your skin is craving a sweet treatment, reach, that's cute, reach for this little Candy O Lady. This is a restored and balance your skin mask. Okay, nice. This has a value of $2.50. So, I mean, for the prices for the Forever Fresh Kit, which is what I get here, where you get these 4 masks right here, it's $8.90 a month. The 7 Lux is $19.90, and like I said, the Lux Plus is $49.95 a month. So that is my box for the month of August, and I will take a picture of the front and back of the card if you want to read any, and of the masks if you want to read any further information. So that's it for August of 2019 for Facetory, and I appreciate all of you watching, and have a great day, and hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.